In this video, we will cover the instructions for how to make corrections to your test. Please make sure to look at the syllabus and to understand that any questions that you receive points taken off on a test, that you can get half of those points back again by making the corrections. The caveat is that the corrections must be done in a specific and certain way and turned back in within 48 hours of the time that the test was given back to you. Please make sure that you understand that when you are doing test corrections, that you will take a look at your test, see the questions that you got wrong, then get a separate piece of paper, so this is very important, a separate blank piece of paper. You will rewrite the problem from the test and then you will solve it correctly. Make sure that you do it this way because this is how you receive half the points. If you do not follow the test correction instructions, then you will not receive points back for the test, and you will receive the points that were originally taken off. So please take a look at these examples that are here on the initially graded test. You can see that the problem was done incorrectly and then the student put no idea. I don't recommend that, but the answer was incorrect. So after the test was passed back, the student had an opportunity to go back and correct the test and did so in the correct fashion by rewriting the test question, the original question, on a blank piece of paper and numbered it so I knew which question it was pertaining to, then correctly solved the problem in a neat and orderly fashion with the correct answer. This is how to receive full points for corrections to your test. If you have any questions about that, please make sure you contact me.